I used to pay $149 a month for AdSpy, $99 for PyPy ads, $20 for ChatGPT, $49 for CapCut Pro, just to cut the ads together. That is over $300 a month before I sold a single item. Here is what changed. Note that I have dropped the link to the Ecom tools I use for my dropshipping business below. I have been doing this for 7 years, since before AI was even part of dropshipping, and nobody tells you the real cost is the tabs, not the ads. So let me break down what I was actually paying for every month. AdSpy was my main spy tool. That is the one that shows me what ads are running right now, how long they have been live, and whether a product is actually converting or just noise for a week before it dies. Then I had PyPy ads running alongside it. Because AdSpy is strong on Facebook and Instagram, but has nothing for TikTok, so I needed a second subscription just to cover the other half of where my traffic was coming from. Then ChatGPT, $20 a month, for hooks, product descriptions, ad copy. On its own, that is fine. Then CapCut Pro to actually cut the ad together once I had the footage or the AI-generated clips. 4 different tools, 4 different logins, 4 different bills, and none of them talk to each other. Every time I moved from research to writing to editing, I was retyping the same product info from scratch, 3 separate times. Here is what I switched to. Same jobs, spy tool, AI, editor, but now it sits inside one dashboard with one login. I still get the same research I was doing before with AdSpy and PyPy ads. I can filter by how long an ad has been running, which tells me if a product is actually profitable or just a flash in the pan. Say I find something worth testing. Now watch this part. Instead of closing that tab and logging into a separate ChatGPT account, I switch straight into Claude, right there inside the same dashboard. No new login, no retyping what the product is, because I was just looking at it 2 seconds ago and it already knows the context. I ask Claude for 3 ad angles on this exact product for a specific audience, and it comes back with usable hooks in under a minute. That is the real-time save. It is not that Claude is smarter than ChatGPT, it is that I am not rebuilding the same context 5 separate times a day across 5 separate tools. Now I want to be straight with you, because I have seen every version of this one tool changes everything, and most of it is nonsense. This dashboard does not replace doing the work. It does not test your product for you. It does not write the ad that magically converts on the first try. Mine almost never do. What it actually removes is the setup tax, the 20 minutes of logging into 4 tools and copying your product name into each one and losing your train of thought halfway through. It does not remove the testing tax. You are still going to run ads that flop. You are still going to kill products that looked great on paper. That part never changes. And if anyone tells you a dashboard does the whole job for you, that is the same energy as the guys posting fake income screenshots. I am not going to do that to you. This is the dashboard I actually use every day. Linked below if you want to look at it yourself. I am not telling you it is magic. I am telling you it is what stopped costing me over $300 a month across 4 subscriptions that never once talk to each other. If you have got a stack of tools right now that do not sync, that make you start from zero every time you switch tabs, you already know exactly the feeling I am describing.